how to translate PDF file into any other language. Hello everybody and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step way to translate any of the PDF file into any other language instantly. So you can use up these tools for that. One of the method we can use is Google Translate. It is very fast and even free. So you can go to Google Translate and hit enter, and we have this section for Google Translate, translate.google.com. You can open up the link available here, and we can select this option of documents here instead, and we can drag and drop or either browse our file. So let's browse our file. So you can select a PDF folder from your PC. For example, I have selected this PDF right here. Now if you want to convert it, we can detect the language and change it into anything else. We can select English. Mine is English, so if I want to change it to Spanish, I'm just gonna select the second language as Spanish to translate into. After that, I can click on this option called translate and wait for a few seconds, and you will be finding the translation. You can look out for download translation and it will download the files. Now you can open up the file available here. Let's open it up. And when we do, we'll be finding the language being changed into another language. There we go. You can just go over and follow out this method. Close it up. And there we go. And layout may change slightly, but text is translated instantly. You can follow out this method. Or what we can do is we can open up the document in Microsoft Word instead. Let's close this up. Find the PDF file where it's located. For example, let's say this is a PDF file. You can open it up, and once you open it up, you can just go over and go to review option and translate it. Let's open it up within Word. For example, this is the Word document. You can open it up on Word, and we can go to the section for review in the top, and within review we can select the option for translate here. So we have different options here, and we have this option called translate. You can select this option of translate document and pick up your target language here on your right hand side. You can just go over and choose it up. Close this up for now, and to which language, for example Dutch. So you can select Dutch and click on translate and confirm this up. And you need to have this document as docx file in order to translate it, but you just need to follow this method, and you can click on this translate option and it will translate the PDF file, and you can save the file as PDF again and preserve it. It also preserves formatting better than Google Translate. And that's it. Usually these two methods are very free and very easy. You can just go and follow this method and you should be able to translate your PDF very easily. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.